Who you talking to, darling? What? It's giving Elizabeth Taylor, period. Diamonds are girl best friend. Rhinestones, whatever, you know. And welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. I am super excited about today's video because I have one of my favorite things today. Today I have some jewelry for you guys. Withinhand has been nice enough to send us over some pieces, and I'm going to share them with you on today. See what you guys think about them and see what I think about them. Let's go ahead and get into it because baby, the rings are ringing, okay? The rings are ringing. You guys know I love to look good, but I love to look good on a budget. I don't like to spend a lot of money because I don't think it's necessary. You don't have to break the bank just to look good. And so bougie on a budget is my thing in all things. Jewelry, clothes, fashion, all the stuff. Bougie on a budget. So with that being said, this shirt is thrifted. Y'all already know. Don't even trip. But let's go ahead and get into the pieces that they sent us over because I think you're going to love them, sis. So first thing is first, here is the beautiful gift bag. You guys, y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. I also love simplicity. So the bags came packaged in the box, but then everything else came in one box. So I love it when they don't do too much. Don't do too much, but I still want a presentation, right? And that's what this gives. I love the gold on black. It's super classic. It definitely matches my outfit. It's a moment, isn't it? It's a moment. I love this. So let's go ahead and get into some of the pieces that I have here. First, I'm going to start with something that I think is universal and that everyone could like. It's earrings, right? Y'all know I love a good hoop. Hello. I love a good hoop. And I actually wear silver and I wear gold. So I'm always looking for the best of both worlds and things like that when it comes to those things. So I have these right here are gold. These that I have to show you are silver, silver toned. Now the posts are silver, so they're going to help you with the hypoallergenic aspect of it. But then the earrings, y'all, first of all, this is the box that they came in. Look at that. Beautiful. Withinhand. And then here are the earrings. Get into them. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Okay. Bling. These stones on here are so pretty. I love a good hoop because I feel like you can do a basic outfit like a t-shirt and some jeans, some kicks, and then throw on a nice piece of jewelry like earrings like this and make it make a statement with them. So here are these beautiful earrings. Look at that shine. Look at that. Girl, look at that. I love these because they are weighty, but they're not super heavy. I love a good heavy weighted earring personally because for me it speaks to the quality, but I can also understand women that don't like heavy earrings. These are not heavy, but they are weighted. They have some weight to them because first of all, ma'am, look at how big these stones are. They're going to have some weight to them, but it's not so much so that they're uncomfortable and super heavy, right? So I love that about these. Let's go ahead and try these on and see what we think. Y'all, I love a good earring. I love a good earring. And especially a hoop. I think these are timeless. Like, these are so classic. You can never go wrong with them. They're the perfect accessory, in my opinion. And they're not doing too much. You see how beautiful that is? It's not doing too much. They're not gaudy. It's not over the top. But they give you just enough. And I think they're so beautiful. Look at that. Stunning, stunning piece of jewelry. I love it. And like I said, the quality is amazing. They feel nice and substantial without being heavy. And I like that. I like that a lot. So love these. Of course, I will have these linked down below for you to check out. But if you're like me and you love a good hoop and you love a little razzle dazzle, a bedazzling, you would really like these. I love them. I love them. Let's get into some of the other pieces. So I also got a necklace, and this is what the packaging for that looks like. Same basic black packaging with the gold writing. And then here is my necklace. Get into that. I love this piece. One of the reasons that I love this piece is because it is two-toned. You guys know mixing metals is a thing now, right? It's something that people like to do. I can admit that I'm not super comfortable with mixing metals just because I've always been like, I'm either going to wear gold or I'm going to wear silver, but I want to get into it, right? And so when you have things like this, it kind of helps you to get into it because it's done for you already. So now I can throw on a gold earring or I can throw on a silver ring and it'd be okay because I've got both of those pieces, both elements in this one piece. And so I really do appreciate this piece for that reason. It makes it easy for me to try the trend of mixing metals without feeling out of place and uncomfortable. So, but get into that beautiful center stone, okay? And this piece is sterling silver as well. And then the gold parts are dipped, gold plated, of course. This necklace is also sterling silver. What I love about this necklace is that it has some spaces for adjustment. If it'll focus, see if we can get it to focus. So you can make your necklace longer or shorter, and then it also has an extension on it too. This is a 2-inch extender as well. So I can make this as long or as short as I want it. Also keep in mind, if this chain isn't if you wanted to put it on a gold chain, like I have several gold chains, just to bring out more of one or the other of the metals, you could do that. You could very easily switch out this chain for a gold chain. And I think that that would be stunning as well. So it's very, very nice quality, very nicely made. I'm gonna go ahead and try this piece on. And I love to layer my necklaces. So I just have on my everyday necklaces right now. I'm gonna layer this one. I'm gonna put it on the very last notch of the necklace and see where that lands with what I've currently got on. And there you go. A match made in heaven. You've got a beautiful set all right there, right? Isn't that beautiful together? And here we are right now. We're mixing the metals, right? We're mixing the metals because the earrings are silver. And then we've got the necklace that's gold and silver. And then my other two pieces are gold. But they all match just because of that little piece of gold that's right there on the side of that heart and on that flower. Stunning. And these are lab created stones. Ooh, look at that sparkling. I love it. And it goes so well with my stack already. I love that. Okay, so y'all, I have one more piece for you. One more piece for you. And it is my favorite of the two pieces, I think. I don't know. That's kind of hard. I don't know. I like them all, so I don't know. But it is stunning. And I need y'all to get into it. Because when I say, now I've worn this. I've actually worn all these pieces. Now when I say this one is a showstopper, it's a showstopper. My coworker was like, girl, what is that? It is stunning. Get into it. Get into it. You guys already know, right? You already know. So, as I've told you guys before, I've lost a lot of weight. My original wedding ring is too large and I don't want to get it quite sized yet just because I'm not sure if I'm going to go up or down inside. I don't know. So I want to leave it as is for now. But that allows me to play with different rings. I have, of course, been wearing my mom's wedding ring. So when she passed away, my dad gave it to me. So this is precious to my heart. I wear it all the time, especially when I'm wearing gold jewelry. Love it. But I don't want to wear it out. Like I get nervous about wearing it because it kind of bends when I'm rough and all that. So I want to be like sparing with it and gentle with it. So I always play with different rings on my ring finger. And this one I got specifically to wear on my ring finger. Baby, get into it. Get into it. It definitely is a high profile ring, right? Like that's pretty high profile. I didn't find that it caught on a bunch of stuff or anything like that. Not so much so that it was like, oh my gosh, this is annoying. Nothing like that. This is beautiful. It is sterling silver, of course. The set is very secure. Of course, I haven't had it for years, but from what I've seen, it's secure. It's beautiful. The sparkle and the shine on that is stunning. Like I said, I've received so many compliments on this ring already. I just think it's beautiful. I've never owned a solitaire ring. So this was like, when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's simple, but it's still doing something, right? Like if I'm talking It's not like, oh my gosh, but it's beautiful, right? It catches your eye. It makes you look at it, right? That's what I love. I also pair it with other rings, just to give them more of a wedding band effect. So the possibilities are endless. And of course, you don't have to wear it on this finger, right? You could wear it on any other finger. I just choose to wear it on this one for the purposes that I just mentioned. But isn't that beautiful? You can just see how it reflects the light. So nice. So nice. The prongs, like I said, are super secure. The stone is beautiful. I love it. Love it. Love it. This is something that's great for gifting. You know, people are having anniversaries, birthdays all year long. This is perfect. This is a perfect kind of gift that is going to look nice, going to look classic, going to look elegant, but it won't break the bank. And y'all know we're all about that on this channel. I love to look good, but I love to look good on a budget. And I think that you can definitely accomplish that with this, because the truth is no one is going to know what kind of stone you have unless they ask you, or unless they're like a diamond expert or whatever, and who they're just not just walking around grabbing people's hands and looking at their stones, right? So for me, it's beautiful. It does what I needed to do. It makes the statement that I needed to make. Sis is working, okay? This stone is working. It all works and pairs together so nicely as a set. If you wanted to wear them all together, you definitely can. You don't have to, but it's definitely an option. I love these pieces. Again, I'm gonna have them all linked down below for you, and I want to thank Withinhand for sending over these pieces for us to review today. Love it. Look, get into it. Get into it, sis. How you doing? How you doing? Love. Ugh. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think about these beautiful pieces that I've shared with you on today. Which piece was your favorite? I don't know. I'm partial to the ring, but I love the earrings as well. And I love the fact that this necklace layers nicely with the other ones that I wear often. So I don't know, y'all. I really love all of the pieces. It just depends on what you're looking for, or what, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It just depends. If I had to choose, I think if I had to choose one of all three, it would probably be the ring, just because I don't have anything like it. And then I would do the earrings, and then I would do the necklace. But again, all three are gorgeous and stunning. So yeah, please check Withinhand out. I'm going to have them linked down below for you. And thank you again to them for sending over these pieces for us to review and unbox on today. I love you guys so much. Please remember to be good to each other. Be kind. Love on each other. And yeah, until next time, we'll see you. I love you. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.